Hello guys, I'm Andy. Today I would like to share with you the story of my hometown. I was born in Kuching city, Sarawak, which is one of the states in Malaysia. People often call my city as the cat city or meow meow city. You could find these cat statues in the town area of Kuching. They are symbolic icons for my city. Now, let me show you where are these cat statues. Have you guys counted how many cat statues are there in this city? All civilizations depend on rivers as the fine source for available water. Guys, look at that! That was where Sir James Brooke, an English adventurer, sailed up to the banks of Sarawak River. Eventually, he founded the Brooke Raja of Sarawak and became the ruler of Sarawak. The Malay, Chinese, Indians, Dayak, and Orang Uru ethnic groups living together in the society. I was grown up in a society with cultural diversity. We respect each other's identity, freedom of religions, beliefs, and values. We give blessings for each other's festive celebrations. That is the reason why we have a lot of public holidays in a year. The ethnic and religious diversity in Sarawak is unique among Malaysians. Each ethnic lives peacefully and harmony with each other in daily life. This is where I truly belong, Kuching, Sarawak, my dearest hometown, which always stays in my heart. I hope you guys enjoy what I have shared about my hometown. From the bottom of my heart, from me to you.